Have you ever paused to contemplate the profound impact that a simple, natural act can have on your overall well-being? Today we're delving into a topic that has fascinated humans for centuries: the multifaceted benefits of sex. Pleasure aside, engaging in sexual activity can have a ripple effect on our health, both physically and mentally. Picture this: a natural exercise that not only burns calories but also strengthens your cardiovascular system. That's right. Regular sexual activity can do just that. It gets your heart rate up, improving your heart health and helping to keep your weight in check. But the benefits of sex extend far beyond the physical. It's a dance of minds, an exchange of emotions, a testament to the power of intimacy. The mental health perks of this shared experience are nothing short of remarkable. It can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost your self-esteem. The hormones released during sex, specifically oxytocin and endorphins, can foster feelings of happiness and bonding, acting as natural mood lifters. What's more, regular sexual activity can also enhance your cognitive function. Yes, sex can make you smarter. It increases blood flow to the brain, which can improve memory and cognitive abilities. It's a workout for your body and your mind. There's also a social aspect to consider. Sex as an intimate act can strengthen relationships, fostering a deep sense of connection and mutual understanding. It can help partners communicate better, understand each other's bodies and desires, and build a sense of trust and security. But it's not just about the act itself. The benefits of sex can also come from the anticipation, the build-up, the flirtation, and the afterglow. All these stages contribute to the overall positive impact of sexual activity on our lives. In essence, sex is not just about reproduction or pleasure. It's about connection, communication, physical health, mental well-being, and so much more. It's a fundamental part of our lives, an activity that can enhance our overall quality of life in numerous ways. To summarize, sex is a natural exercise that strengthens the cardiovascular system, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can even enhance cognitive function. It can improve mental health by reducing stress, improving sleep, and boosting self-esteem. The hormones released during sex can foster feelings of happiness and bonding. Lastly, sex can strengthen relationships, improve communication, and foster a deep sense of connection and mutual understanding. So next time you engage in this ancient dance of minds and bodies, remember, it's not just about the momentary pleasure. It's about all the incredible benefits that can contribute to your overall health and well-being. It's about embracing a holistic approach to your health and happiness. After all, the benefits of sex extend far beyond the bedroom.